Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's have another episode of our Cebuano lesson. Today's video, we are going to practice or to understand more about the objective case of the demonstrative pronouns in Cebuano, Niini or Niana. Niini means this or these. The location is near the speaker. Let's have an example. Niinom ako niini. Niinom means drank. Ako means I. Niini means this. Niinom ako niini means I drank this. We don't know what the object is. So let's say, for example, the subject drank water. The sentence would be niinom ako og tubig. So instead of saying tubig, we use the demonstrative pronoun niini. So, we say, niinom ako niini. So, niini refers to tubig. Mupalit ako niini alang sa Pasko. Mupalit means will buy. Ako means I. Niini means this. Alang sa means for. And Pasko means Christmas. Mupalit ako niini alang sa Pasko. It means I will buy this for Christmas. We don't know what the subject is talking about. So let's put it this way. If the sentence is mupalit ako og regalo alang sa Pasko. So instead of saying regalo, we use the demonstrative pronoun niini. So mupalit ako niini alang sa Pasko. So niini refers to regalo. Dili ko ganahan niini. Dili means not. Ko is the short form of ako. It means I. Ganahan means like. And niini means this. Dili ko ganahan niini means I don't like this. So let's say, for example, the subject doesn't like a shirt. So dili ko ganahan og kamiseta. So I don't like a shirt. So instead of saying kamisita, we use the demonstrative pronoun niini. So, dili ko ganahan niini. So, niini refers to kamisita. Kinsay gusto mo gamit niini. Kinsay means who. Gusto means want. Mo gamit means will use or to use. And niini is the demonstrative pronoun this. So, kinsay gusto mo gamit niini? Who wants to use this? For example, kinsay gusto mo gamit og computer? So, instead of naming the object computer, we use the demonstrative pronoun niini. So, kinsay gusto mo gamit niini? So, niini refers to computer. Naa kay ingon niini? Naa means have. Kai means you. Ingon is like and niini is this. Ingon niini somehow a set phrase. It means like this or similar. Naa kay ingon niini? Do you have like this? Let's say, for example, naa kay pisa? So do you have spare parts of a machine? So instead of saying pisa or mentioning the object pisa, we use the demonstrative pronoun niini or ingon niini. Naa kay ingon niini? So ingon niini refers to pisa. Next, let's have the objective case of the demonstrative pronoun Niana. It means that or those. And the location is far from the speaker but near to the listener. Let's have an example. Nipalit ako ni Ana. Nipalit means bought. Ako means I. Ni Ana means that. Nipalit ako ni Ana means I bought that. Okay, so we don't know what the subject is talking about or what the subject is pointing. So let's say, for example, nipalit ako og pitaka. I bought a wallet. So instead of naming the object pitaka, we use the demonstrative pronoun ni Ana. Nipalit ako ni Ana. Ni Ana refers to pitaka. Mukaon ako ni Ana unya. Mukaon means will eat. Ako means I. Ni Ana means that. And unya means later. Mukaon ako ni Ana unya. It means I will eat that later. We don't know what the subject is talking about. So let's say, for example, mukaon ako og lechon unya. So instead of naming the object here, lechon, so we use the demonstrative pronoun ni Ana. So mukaon ako ni Ana unya. Ni Ana refers to lechon. Ganahan kaayo ang akong bana ana. Ganahan means like, kaayo means really or very. Ang is a subject marker, akong is my, bana is husband, and ana is that. Ganahan kaayo ang akong bana ana. It means my husband really likes that. Okay, let's say for example, ganahan kaayo ang akong bana og whiskey. So my husband really likes whiskey. Instead of saying whiskey, we use the demonstrative pronoun ni Ana, and the short form is Ana. Ganahan kaayo ang akong bana Ana. Ana refers to whiskey. Tagai ko ni Ana day. Tagai means give. Ko is the short form of ako. It means I. Ni Ana means that, and Dai is the short form of Inday. It means missy or girl. Tagai ko ni Ana Dai. It means give me that. Let's say, for example, tagai ko og pan. Give me bread. Instead of saying pan, we use the demonstrative pronoun ni Ana. So, tagai ko ni Ana Dai. Ni Ana refers to pan. Ganahan ba ikaw, Ana? Ganahan means like. Ba is a question particle. Ikaw means you. Ana is the short form of ni Ana. It means that. Ganahan ba ikaw, Ana? Do you like that? Let's say, for example, ganahan ba ikaw og relo? Do you like watch? So instead of saying relo, we use the demonstrative pronoun ana. So ganahan ba ikaw, ana? Ana refers to relo. So the subject or the speaker is pointing to the object. Okay, let's get started with the example conversation. First, I will ask you a few questions about the conversation before we begin. Please listen carefully to the conversation as you search for answers. Then, I will show you an example conversation using the demonstrative pronouns niini and niana. At first, you may find it difficult to understand the conversation correctly. First, try to figure out what demonstrative pronouns the speaker is using rather than trying to hear every word exactly. After the conversation is over, I am going to tell you the answer to the question. Please make sure your answer is correct. Are you ready? Let's start. Question 1. Unsa nga kolor sa kamisita ang ganahan ni Rachel? Unsa nga kolor sa kamisita ang ganahan ni Rachel? What color of shirt does Rachel like? Question 2. Unsa nga kolor sa sanina ang paliton ni Jen? Unsa nga kolor sa sanina ang paliton ni Jen? What color of dress is Jen going to buy? Question 3. Ganahan ba si Jen og crop top nga kamisita? Ganahan ba si Jen og crop top nga kamisita? Does Jen like a crop top shirt? Asa man niini nga kamisita ang imong ganahan? Puti o itom?
Ganahan ko anang itom.
Unsa pa man ang imong ganahan paliton?
Kanindot ana nga sanina ti uy.
Hala nindot bitaw. Pangutana ko no day kung naa ba sila'y dako nga sukod ni ana.
Naa daw te.
Sige kuha og usa ni ana day. Naay abuhon ana day?
Naa daw te.
Sige kuha og abuhon ana day.
Ti, ganahan ka ani?
Kamisita na?
Oo, kamisita te pero crop top nga kamisita.
Dili lang ko ana day uy. Ikaw ganahan ka ana? Pagkuha ana day. Unsa pa man atong paliton?
Wala na te.
Sige, kana ra.
Te, palita ana nga pagkaon.
Palit og duha ana. Palit usab og tubig.
Sige te.
Now let's answer the following questions. Question 1. Unsa nga kolor sa kamisita ang ganahan ni Rachel? Answer. Itom nga kamisita ang ganahan ni Rachel. Rachel likes the black shirt. Question 2. Unsa nga kolor sa sanina ang paliton ni Jen? Answer. Abuhon nga sanina ang paliton ni Jen. Jen is going to buy the gray dress. Question 3. Ganahan ba si Jen og crop top nga kamisita? Answer. Dili ganahan si Jen og crop top nga kamisita. Jen doesn't like the crop top shirt. Now then, let's do translation questions together. I will read the English first. Please answer in Bisaya. Number 1. I bought that. Nipalit ako ni Ana. Number 2. I don't like this. Dili ko ganahan niini. Number 3. I will buy this for Christmas. Mupalit ako niini alang sa Pasko. Number 4. My husband really likes that. Ganahan kaayo ang akong bana ana. Number 5. I like that black one. Ganahan ko anang itom. Number 6. Give me that. Taga iko ni ana. Number 7. Which of these do you like? Asa niini ang imong gusto? Number 8. I will eat that later. Mukaon ako ni ana unya. Number 9. Do you have like this? Naa kay ingon niini? Number 10. That's a really nice dress. Kanindot anak nga sanina. That's all for today's lesson. If you would like to learn more about this lesson or want to practice speaking Cebuano, please consider taking an online lesson from the overview section. We also have our lesson materials. Please use them freely. Please also subscribe to the channel and like this video. Daghang salamat sa sunod na sad. Maayong adlaw sa tanan!